Today, we're going to be talking more about outage management. First, let's zoom into our outage and check it out real quick. Here, we can see an outage affecting 3 customers. What we are going to do today is research the cause of the outage and report the outage to the affected customers by expanding the outage to include the customers impacted. To do this, we need to select the outage. Head over to the outage option in the top ribbon and select an outage event. We can either scroll and find the outage we need or type it in the search bar to find it. For us, however, it's our only outage, so I'll go ahead and double click it to select it. And there we go. We can see that in the box in the top, now our outage is selected. Now, if we click select all outages, it will highlight each customer who reported an outage. If we click on find outage, now that we have them selected, OpenPoint will narrow it down and find the most likely source of the outage. As we can see, OpenPoint assumes it's this transformer right here, which makes sense as customers claimed they heard a boom that caused the outage. So let's assume this transformer is the culprit. Now that we have our likely source of the outage, we can go ahead and find all customers that were likely affected by the outage. Let's click trace down, which will select all customers connected to the transformer. And there we go. We know who is being affected. So I'll hit this report outage button, which will add all customers selected to the outage event. Click that and we'll be presented with this window. First thing you'll notice is the checkboxes at the top. We can see that the 3 customers already affected are unchecked to start, and the 6 that aren't yet part of it are selected. This checks out because we won't need to add them to this report, but we could if we want to because that will make them show up in the report. And we have to fill out or change any details we want or change the date if we need, and add any notes, and then click create. There we go. Now we wait a moment and the customers will be added to the outage, as you can see in the top right. Voila, it's easy to add new customers to an outage.